Okay, so now we're going to select the range F4 through J4. And then we're going to drag the fill handle through to J12. Okay, and then you're going to get all of these numbers. It copied the formula down. And we'll keep going. Let's see. So make sure you're reading this. All right, so display the Home tab, which we're on. Select the cell to contain the sum. Cell D13 in this case, click the Auto Sum button to sum the contents of the range D4 through D12. All right, so first it says select the cell to contain this cell D13 and click the Auto Sum button, and it's on the Home tab and it's under the Editing group. Click on Auto Sum. Okay, and then it says select the range to contain the sum, so F13 through H13. And it says click the Auto Sum button. Select the cell to contain the sum, cell J13 in this case. So we've done F13 through H13. Now we're going to do the Auto Sum button on cell J13. Okay, so you can check your totals to make sure that yours looks like theirs. 1843. Okay, so we're on the right track. We're going to keep going. All right, select the cell to be copied. So we are going to want, let's see, this is 12. So I12 here. And then drag the fill handle down through cell I13 to copy the formula. Okay. Select the cell to contain the maximum number, cell C14. So we are going to go to C14 where it says highest, click the function, and then we want the max. And let me see. And we want to replace the text in the number 1 box with C14 to C12. So we want to click max, okay. C4 through C12 to enter the first argument of the function. Let's see. Click OK. All right. And it should show 3, which it did. All right, now we're going to select C15. And then once we select C15, we're going to look at Auto Sum. And we're going to do minimum. we want to drag from C4 through C12 and click enter. And we'll get 0 for the minimum function. Then we're going to click on cell C16 and we're going to put equals. And then we're going to do the down arrow and highlight the average. And then we're going to select the range C4 through C12. So here all the way up. Let's see what's next. Okay, enter. And it's going to be 1.44 repeating. We're going to select C14 through C16. And we're going to drag the handle in the lower right corner through to cell J16. Alright, and then we're going to select I16 and press delete to delete the average of the tax percentage. And then we're going to save it. And we're going to keep going. Alright, we're going to double click I14. Let's see, double click cell I14. Alright, it wants us to select not I14, but it wants us to select I4. And then double click on it and you'll see the range finder. Don't do what I just did though. Let me undo that. Okay, it's just showing you the formula. And I'm going to press enter. It'll let me. Okay. And then you can press escape to quit it. So let me minimize this. All right, we're going to go to page layout and we're going to click the themes button. And then we're going to click gallery in the themes gallery. And then that will change the workbook theme to look like this. Alright, then we're going to go back to the Home tab. And we're going to select the range to be merged. So we're going to do A1 through K1. And then we're going to click the merge and center button. So if you go to alignment on the Home tab and click merge and center. Then we're going to select the range A2 through K2. And we're going to do the same thing, merge and center. Select the range to contain the title cell style in A1 through A2. So we're going to select both of these. Click the Cell Styles button. Let's see. Cell Styles, and then you're going to click the title cell style in the title and headings group. Then we're going to select cell A2, and then we're going to decrease the font. So if you go to Home and Font, and I think click the Decrease Font Size button. So you're going to do this one. We're going to select A1 through A2, and then we're going to click the fill color arrow. So if you go to your Home tab and you go to Font, you're going to get a font group right here. Well, I didn't mean to do that. Let me undo it. I just want to see the theme colors. And I want to click Indigo Accent 5 Lighter 80%. So if you go to column 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You're going to go to row 2. So right here, Indigo Accent 5 Lighter 80%, column 9, row 2. Click the Borders arrow. So if you go to the Home tab, Font Group, display the borders. And we want to click Outside Borders. And then you can click anywhere in the worksheet to deselect it. Alright, we're going to select cells A3 through K3. So A3 through A3 through K3. Sorry, I was selecting too much. Now, you use the Cell Styles Gallery to apply the heading 3 cell style. So, the heading 3 cell style. Click the center button. I believe right here. Apply the total cell style to A13 through K13. So we're going to go to font, no, let's see, cell styles, and we want the total cell style. And then we're going to bold A14 through A16. So bold the range A14 through A16. Okay. And in the next video, we're going to pick up here and we're going to look at formatting dates and centering data in cells.